Welcome to the best picks. The best mat disinfectant is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of a healthy yoga practice. We all know the benefits of yoga, but what about the invisible world of germs and bacteria that can thrive on your mat? Today, we're diving deep into the world of yoga mat disinfectant sprays, exploring why they're essential for your health and well-being. Number 5. ASUTRA Mindful Lemongrass Yoga Mat Cleaner. This mat cleaner is perfect for anyone who enjoys yoga or any type of exercise. It's water-based and safe for all mat types. Just spray and wipe, it's that simple. Infused with essential oils, this cleaner not only cleans but also provides aromatherapy. It keeps your gear smelling fresh and clean, enhancing your workout experience. Available in various scents, including unscented, and in different sizes. You can choose the perfect option for your needs, with refill sizes and multi-packs available. Shake well before use. Spray onto a damp cloth and wipe. For a deeper clean, spray liberally, let it sit, scrub, and air dry. It's designed for ease and effectiveness. This cleaner is made with love and without harsh chemicals. It's free from parabens, phosphates, and bleach, ensuring a safe and effective clean for your equipment. What we like? This cleaner uses organic essential oils for a deep clean and aromatherapy benefits. It leaves no slippery residue, ensuring a safe and pleasant yoga experience. If you like a variety of scents and want a mat cleaner that cares for both your mat and your well-being, you should consider this. What people say. The ingredient list is short, and I recognize the names of all the ingredients. I use some of them on a regular basis too, not to mention that there are only 9 of them in this mat cleaner. None are toxic, and all the ingredients are natural. I sprayed those areas liberally, left the cleaner to soak in for 5 minutes, came back to wipe it down with the microfiber towel, and a lot of the stains lifted right up. The cleaner doesn't leave my mat sticky or slimy, and I love that not only is the scent pleasant, I can also tell that it isn't full of harsh chemicals. Number 4. ASUTRA Lavender Yoga Mat Cleaner Spray. This mat cleaner is perfect for all fitness enthusiasts. It's designed to keep your yoga mats and exercise equipment clean and fresh. It's a must-have for your workout routine. This water-based formula is safe for all mat types and props. Simply spray and wipe it down. It's easy to use and leaves no slippery residue. Infused with essential oils, this cleaner provides aromatherapy benefits. It keeps your gear smelling fresh and clean. The lavender scent creates a peaceful experience. Available in 7 scents, including unscented, and in 4-ounce bottles. You can also find 16-ounce refills and multi-packs. There is an option for everyone's needs. Shake well before use. Spray onto a damp cloth and wipe clean. For deeper cleaning, let it stand for 2 minutes. Then gently scrub and let it air dry. This yoga mat cleaner is handmade with love. It's free from parabens, phosphates, and bleach. It contains no harsh ingredients, ensuring a safe and effective clean. What we like? This cleaner uses organic essential oils for a deep clean and aromatherapy benefits. It leaves no slippery residue, ensuring a safe and pleasant yoga experience. If you are looking for a calming lavender scent to enhance your practice, you should consider this. What people say. The ingredient list is short, and I recognize the names of all the ingredients. I use some of them on a regular basis too, not to mention that there are only 9 of them in this mat cleaner. None are toxic, and all the ingredients are natural. I sprayed those areas liberally, left the cleaner to soak in for 5 minutes, came back to wipe it down with the microfiber towel, and a lot of the stains lifted right up. The cleaner doesn't leave my mat sticky or slimy, and I love that not only is the scent pleasant, I can also tell that it isn't full of harsh chemicals. Number 3. Mind Over Lather Yoga Mat Cleaning Spray 8 ounces. This all-natural spray is made with eucalyptus and tea tree essential oils. It provides a relaxing and therapeutic experience after your yoga workout. You'll love the calming effect. Simply spray it on your mat and wipe it down. It's that easy to prepare for your next session. You can even use it on your sweat towel. The spray cleans your mat with distilled water, witch hazel, and essential oils. It leaves no sticky or slippery residue. You will feel refreshed. Whether you're a yogi or instructor, this spray is safe for all mat types. It's even safe for hot yoga and manduka mats. It won't dry out your mat. Because it's environmentally safe, you can use it on anything that needs odor elimination. It can also create a calming mood. It's a versatile product. What we like. This spray uses all natural ingredients, including essential oils, to clean and restore your mat. The calming lavender mint scent creates a relaxing atmosphere. If you like a product that is environmentally safe and can be used on multiple surfaces, you should consider this. What people say. It removes any residue. It smells so good and relaxing. You can tell the ingredients are all natural by how clean and refreshing it smells. Number 2. Black Diamond Yoga Mat Spray Cleaner. Introducing a cleaner that's good for you and the planet. This spray is made with essential oils and is safe for all types of mats. It's the perfect way to keep your yoga practice fresh and clean. This cleaner not only cleans your mat effectively but also leaves a refreshing citrus scent. You won't have to worry about any sticky residue. It's a simple way to enhance your yoga experience. Our formula is phosphate-free, biodegradable, and hypoallergenic. It protects your mat and your health because it's free from harmful chemicals. You can feel good about using it. Freshen your mat with this non-toxic formula. It enhances your practice without any safety concerns. The essential oils will leave your mat smelling great. Extend your mat's life and save money with regular use. Maintaining its quality helps your wellness. It's a smart investment for your yoga practice. Made with love in the USA, this cleaner ensures a safe environment for everyone. It simplifies your yoga routine, giving you peace of mind. It's safe for the whole family. From our family to yours, every bottle is a testament to American craftsmanship. Proudly made in San Clemente, California, it stands as a beacon of quality and eco-conscious household care. You can trust in its quality. What we like. This cleaner is USDA certified bio-based, ensuring it's eco-friendly and safe for your health and mat. It extends the life of your mat, saving you money in the long run. If you are looking for a product that is safe for kids and pets, you should consider this. What people say. It cleans thoroughly without leaving any residue, and the scent is refreshing but not overpowering. It's easy to use, and dries nicely. It cleans my mat thoroughly, leaving it look like brand new. And it doesn't have any strong perfume smells, which I greatly appreciate. It just smells clean. Number 1. TreeActiv Yoga Mat Cleaner Spray, 4 fluid ounces. Tired of a dirty yoga mat? This spray makes cleaning easy. The blend of essential oils neutralizes odors, leaving your mat fresh and ready for your next session. Don't let sweat and odors ruin your workout. This spray is specially made to keep your gym mats and equipment clean and fresh. It smells great and is gentle on your skin. Keep your yoga mat ready with botanical essential oils. This invigorating mist doesn't contain parabens or harmful chemicals. It's a natural way to refresh your gear. Energize your yoga accessories with a burst of olive fruit scent. This refreshing spray cleans surfaces thoroughly, keeping you motivated during your workout. It helps you focus. Shake well before use. Spray several times onto a clean towel and wipe clean. For the best experience, pair it with our eucalyptus aromatherapy shower spray for an energizing bath. You'll love it. What we like. This yoga mat cleaner has a non-sticky formula and an energizing scent to keep you motivated during your workout. It is specially designed for people with active lifestyles. If you have an active lifestyle and want a mat cleaner that keeps your equipment fresh, you should consider this. What people say. It is a tea tree oil smell that is very soothing to my sense of smell. The size is very small too and compact, so can easily fit in your purse or yoga bag. It has a minty eucalyptus scent that is soothing to my smell sense. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.